Hi everyone, JD here from JDCodebase. Welcome back to our JavaScript series where we learn everything from beginner to advanced in short practical videos. So today we are starting with the most basic yet most important question. What is JavaScript? It is called the language of web, but what does that really mean? Let's find out. JavaScript is a high-level dynamic and interpreted programming language. Means now what does the meaning in plain language? High level means it is designed to be easy for humans to read. Dynamic means you don't need to declare strict data types. It can change at runtime. Interpreted means the browser runs it directly without compiling. So it was created for making web pages interactive. So buttons can respond, animation can play, form can validate. It runs directly inside your browser and works alongside. HTML is for structure, CSS for styling. If HTML is the skeleton and CSS is the skin and clothes, then JavaScript is the brain of the website. It makes things move, react, respond, and others. So now what is the history of JavaScript? JavaScript story starts in 1995 when Brendan Eich created it at Netscape. Fun fact is it was developed in just 10 days. It went through a couple of names. First is it called Mocha, then LiveScript, then JavaScript, and a name chosen mainly for marketing to ride on Java popularity at the time. In 1997, it was standardized as ECMAScript, so all browsers could follow the same rules. And today it is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Now where it runs, JavaScript started in the browser, but now it is everywhere. Client side, that means in your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, you name it. And server side, thanks to environment like Node.js, you can run JavaScript outside the browser. Other platform you will find it in the mobile apps, desktop application, and even IoT devices. Basically anywhere there is a JavaScript engine like V8 engine, JavaScript can run. Now why it is important? So why should you care about JavaScript? It is universal. It works on all modern devices, beginner friendly. You can write your first program in minutes. Versatile. Use it for front end, back end, mobile apps, games, and even AI also. It is the only language that runs natively in every major web browser. No downloadable and no setup required. So let's recap. JavaScript is the interactive layer of the web, over 25 years old and still evolving, used everywhere from browser to servers to device. Without JavaScript, the modern web as we know it would not exist. And that is a quick overview of what is JavaScript and why it is so important. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short practical coding tutorials. See you in the next one.